Okay, so this is after you log into Twilio, this is your dashboard page. So all you're going to do is when you're entering your Bing citation, or if there's other citations that you do that prompts for a phone verification, you don't want to call it, you want to text it. So it gives you the option to text. When you do, you come in here, and after you log in, this is your home dashboard. Come down here to the phone number section. And let's look at one of the sheets here. So let's say this is the number in question right here. We'll copy it and we'll come over and paste it. So it has to be in this form. You can't have dashes or anything like that. And then you filter. So when you find it, you come in and click it. And then you'll click messages log. And then you'll have incoming. Okay. So this one here, I don't know why this one came in here, but anyways, you'll see this in here. This is where the code will come up. So it'll kind of look like this. So you just hover over the incoming, and then the number will pop up here. Okay, and that's it.